Welcome to Session 7, Polynomials and Factoring. Let's go slowly. A polynomial is just an expression built from terms like x squared, x, and numbers. Today we will add and subtract polynomials, multiply them, and then work backwards by factoring. Factoring is one of the most useful skills in all of algebra. First, the words. A monomial has one term, like 3x squared. A binomial has two terms, like x plus 4. A trinomial has three terms. The degree is the highest exponent. In 2x cubed plus 5, the degree is 3, because the highest power is 3. To add or subtract polynomials, just combine like terms. Like terms have the same variable and the same exponent. For 3x squared plus 2x plus x squared minus 5x, add the x squared terms to get 4x squared, and add the x terms to get negative 3x. The answer is 4x squared minus 3x. When you multiply terms with exponents, you multiply the numbers and add the exponents. For 2x cubed times 4x squared, multiply 2 by 4 to get 8, and add the exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 8x to the fifth power. To multiply two binomials, use FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. For x plus 2 times x plus 3, first gives x squared. Outer gives 3x. Inner gives 2x. Last gives 6. Combine the middle terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x. The answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Factoring means writing an expression as a product. The first thing to always check is a greatest common factor. For 6x squared plus 9x, both terms share 3x. Pull it out front, and inside the parentheses, you get 2x plus 3. So it factors to 3x times 2x plus 3. To factor x squared plus 5x plus 6, find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. 2 and 3 multiply to 6 and add to 5. So the trinomial factors into x plus 2 times x plus 3. You can always FOIL it back to check your work. Here's a pattern worth memorizing. The difference of two squares. Any expression a squared minus b squared factors into a plus b times a minus b. For x squared minus 9, notice 9 is 3 squared, so it factors into x plus 3 times x minus 3. Watch these traps. When you multiply exponents in a product, you add them, you do not multiply them. When factoring a trinomial, the two numbers must both multiply and add correctly, not just one. And always check for a greatest common factor before trying anything else. Excellent work. You can now add, multiply, and factor polynomials, including the special patterns. To read the full lesson notes, see more worked examples, and practice GED questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. Factoring gets easier with practice, so try a few today. See you in Session 8.